Okay, what are you doing there, Eva?
I poked a big hole in the top. I'm gonna try to cut it.
Okay, and then on the other side? Oh, you haven't poked it yet. Okay,
Oh, freak.
there we go. The other ones we put tape on each side so that it wouldn't crack very much, but sometimes it's a little easier to do it without the tape, we're thinking. Okay, so she's making sure she's poking the yolk inside there.
If it's cracked.
Okay, and now she's gonna blow. There you go. She's a pro.
Okay, that's all.
Good job. Now we're gonna rinse it out with some water. Pour it in one side. And then you kind of have to blow it once there's some water inside there. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna let it dry off. And then we're getting the wax all ready to put into the eggs for our Easter candles. We made the one side hole kind of bigger. There we go. And then this side,
We dried it.
put a piece of tape on it. Yeah, we dried them all off really good. Put a nice piece of tape on there so that the wax doesn't pour out of the bottom. There we go. And then we put 3 glass jars of wax in a pan of water, so like a double boiler. And we're gonna melt the wax. And Eva is undoing some color crayons so we can add some color to our candles. Blue
So it'll have
wax,
color.
so it'll have color. And so that it smells good, we're gonna pour it in the eggs. There you go. Perfect.
For the next color.
Okay. Nice.
I'm
And she
so
put some
sorry.
sprinkles in.
This one is just a normal candle.
Yes. What are you doing now?
Okay, now we're just cracking them.
Okay. And just peeling it off. And then they turn out like these. Look at how pretty. She put sparkles at the bottom. Turned out so cute. It looks like we should have topped that off just a little bit more, but so cute. Okay, she's ready to light her candle. There we go. Woohoo, look at all the different colors on that. Doesn't that look pretty?
Yeah.
And then we have all the eggs. Let's put all the eggs in the little holder. Look at that. We're all ready to go.
Yeah.
Look at how pretty.